it's Sam. So today I'm going to be doing my Decocrated unboxing. This is the fall box. I'm super excited because I love Decocrated. I've done a couple of videos in the past featuring the Decocrated box. If you're not familiar, it's a home decor box, which is like, yes, I've been waiting for this my whole life. And it comes seasonally. So I do have a coupon code. It's going to save you $10 off your first box. The box is $79.99 a season. So with that coupon, you will get it down to $69.99 for that season. It comes with, I think it's like 8 to 10 like decor, home decor items, and they are so cute. Right there, over there, that's currently one of them. I have a ton in my kitchen. They are so adorable, and they're always seasonally themed, so they're really, really cute. They have unique special artwork just for the box, which is really cute, and you do get a free gift if you sign up for a subscription. It's delivered right to your door. They have a lot of interchangeable items, so some of the pillows are reversible or the pictures are reversible, and then it's always worth over $200. So this is what the box looks like. So it's pretty huge. I'm gonna use a lip balm to see if I can cut through this. Please don't break, little friend. I'm nervous. This might have been a really bad idea. Yeah, I think it is. Shoot, I think I'm gonna have to go get a knife. Do I have anything sharp in here? Hold on a minute. What's this? This is quite sharp. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna go get a knife. I'll be back. Let's open this baby up. And I'll link my other unboxings for you guys so that you guys know what the other ones came with. Oh, cute. So this is like the little art that you get. And it's supposed to be for this frame. But they always send you out these little things that are reversible. So on one side it says spooky for Halloween, and then on the other side it says hey there pumpkin. And this is the art that they usually have especially for this box, and it will tell you who the artist is. So the artist is Caterina Fonte, and then it will tell you like what the key colors are, what you can expect in here. It gives you a breakdown of everything that you will receive. It gives you ideas of how to decorate. It basically just gives you a ton of ideas of like how to style your pieces. And then of course, if you refer a friend, you get rewarded. So I'm very excited because I love fall. I love fall decor. You guys know I just, whenever the seasons change, I love switching up my decor. I just find that fall decor is just one of my favorites. I really do enjoy it. It's just like, it's all warm and cozy tones, and it's just like fabulous. So the first thing is this. Oh, cute. It's a little basket. It says, I'm one of a kind. I was handcrafted by a master artist, and therefore I will have subtle variations and blemishes. You can also hang these on the wall, which is really cute if you're going for like a bohemian theme. This would be really cute to hang on the wall, which is probably what I'll end up doing with it because that's pretty cute. Okay, then we have something long. I'm glad I got the knife. Okay, so this is a little wooden sign, and on one side it says pumpkin sweets, spooks, and treats, which is so cute for Halloween. And then on the other side it says thankful. So this is kind of fun because if you are someone who is going for like that farmhouse where it's like very white and very black, then this is a really cute way to still decorate with keeping in your theme. I have another box. I will say there is a lot of boxes in this thing, which is great because it does keep protected. But if you have to pay a lot for recycling, just keep in mind that you will get a lot of boxes. Oh, fun. Oh, shooty bagooty. Okay, so this says fall, but I think it comes with all of these little letters. Oh, cute. So there's like a ton of different like metal plates that say different things. So it says F, H, B. I'm not sure all like how many letters are in each, but this spells out fall. It does have little hooks on the back so you can hang it up if you want to, or you can just set it on your counter. But it says it's a letter board, and it says fall, boo, home, and love. So those are all of the different letters that you have that you can spell out those words. Crazy to think that like we're already thinking about fall. Like it is August now. Almost. I'm filming this when it's not August, but it's almost August, so in my mind it's August, which is like crazy to think because then it's back to school, and then it's fall, and then it's Thanksgiving, and then it's, wait, I'm sorry, I missed Halloween, and then Thanksgiving, and then it's Christmas, and then the new year starts again. Oh God, this is so cute. This is so cute. So this says gather here with grateful hearts on one side, and then you can flip it around, and it says welcome to our home on the other side. Isn't that so cute? What an adorable little sign. I love that. But see how everything really like ties in with each other? So like you can use all of these things to decorate your home, and then you can, like I have all my summer ones right up right now, and then once that, you know, once summer is over, then I can switch it up. Oh, cute. So we have two little pillowcase for like throw pillows. So one has a pumpkin with succulents on the front, which is really cute. And then it's kind of like that really pretty burgundy on the other side. And then the other one is just a cute little kind of black and white design. And then we have another something or other in here. It's so adorable. It's just a succulent little kind of metal hanging thing. Okay, so there's a little hole on the back that you can hang it up. And it's just a really pretty little metal succulent. Isn't that so cute? I feel like that's gonna match my decor so well. I love that. That's so adorable. So see how much stuff you get? It's like never ending. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's just like a little stand. Maybe you can put like olive oil, things like that on it. How do they, this is when your pamphlet will come into play. Okay, so here's your little stand. I have no idea what I would do with that. So then you're gonna open your booklet. Oh, it's for pie. It's for pie. Oh, that makes sense. So you would put your little pie with your cute little sign on there. That's adorable. Okay, what else do they do with this little plant stand or whatever it is? Let's see. They have, oh, yep, okay, so they put a little succulent on it on your coffee table. They put pie on it. I'm so hungry right now, you guys. Oh, cute. They just put like a little kind of like plant and a pumpkin and a little succulent. That's cute. Oh, they keep it for your coffee stuff. So some sugar and some milk with a little plant, or a ton of different plants around it. So see, this is why I like this little thing, because you can keep it and then be like, oh yeah, that's a good idea. I wouldn't have known what to do with that, but then here it is. So I always like to keep these little pamphlets because it's kind of good just to kind of reference. And look how cute they've made this little basket here. They've made this into a wall hanging, and then they've put faux succulents into the bottom rim so that it looks like it's a little plant holder, which is such a cute idea. Oh my gosh, I might do that. So you can just weave or hot glue your little succulents, what a fun little DIY project, into this section and then hang it, and it's like a little hanging basket for your little succulents and plants. Ooh, Michael's Here I Come. Okay, so that's actually a really cute little project. Maybe me and Lil will do that together. There you guys go. There is everything that came in my Decocrated box. I just love this box. Home decor is just one of my favorite things, and when you pair a subscription service with home decor, it's just like bound to be good, and it comes seasonally, so you don't have to worry about spending $69.99 every month, because that would be a little pricey. But I think seasonally that's not too bad at all, and this stuff is just so cute. I mean, they have some of my most, here, I'm just gonna go ahead and take you on a little tour of my kitchen so that you guys can see how I have put some of that stuff that I've gotten in recent, like in my past boxes, into my home. This is the frame that they sent you like with the first box. So this is one of the little printouts that I got for summer. So that's what I have over there. And then in my kitchen, I have this, which is such a cute little just picture. It's like a little wooden picture. And then I have this little sign over here, which was also in another box. And this is reversible. So it says, today I will be strong, brave, kind, and unstoppable. Today I will be fierce. And then this says, it says messy bun, getting stuff done. And I hide the outlet because like nobody wants to look at an outlet. That's not cute. So that's kind of like that side of my kitchen. And then over here in this corner of my kitchen, I have another sign that says rise and grind. That came from Decocrated box. And then on the other side, it says recipe for fun, which is so, so cute. So you can switch it up. And then in my guest room, I have this little pillow right here, which came in my box. I think that was a spring box, which I'm pretty sure is reversible. These need to go hang up on the wall. I'm not done in here yet. But yeah, it's reversible. So I have that. And then I have this little pillow over here, which I'm pretty sure is covered in Tittle's fluff because he likes to sit on this chair. Yeah, it's covered in Tittle's fluff. but it's a super cute little pom-pom pillow that is just striped. I'm sure I have other stuff, but it might be packed still. Oh, I got this, which I'm gonna hang up. It's like a cute little sign. So I think Jay and the kids have just arrived. They're back home, so I'm gonna go ahead and go now, but thank you guys so much for watching. Here they are.
Wait.
Oh, I gotta close my eyes.
These are the ones that we're giving to you.
Oh.
We want to purchase some more. Because you are special.
Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on a minute. Wait, stand right there so I can show. Look at this. Look at this.
Flowers in the screen.
Oh my gosh, did you guys pick these out yourself?
Yep.
For my birthday? Oh my goodness. And then I got this. I'm not sure who it's from yet. But I got a little bouquet of flowers for my birthday. It's my birthday tomorrow. Oh, this is so pretty, isn't it? What a beautiful little thing. I don't know who it's from.
Roses.
Those are so cute, buddy. You're so romantic. Oh, so sweet. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys very soon. I'll put the link down below for Decocrated box. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.